Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys! Kagigising ko lang ngayon. Tapos yun, tinaas ko to. Tinaas ko tong. Ang ganda ng weather. Sobrang ganda ng weather guys. Natutuwa ako pag ganito yung weather dito kasi nung nakaraang araw, nung makulimlim siya, sobrang kulimlim. Sabi ko, ala, ganito siguro pag winter dito sa Sweden kasi parang nakakalungkot yung weather pag yung sobrang makulimlim talaga siya na madilim. Kalain mo yung 10 a.m. na ng umaga, wala pa rin yung araw. Tapos sabi ko sa asawa ko, ganito pa dito pag pag winter, parang nakakalungkot. Kasi hindi ko pa kasi naranasan yung winter talaga dito sa Sweden guys. So bali ito pala yung magiging first winter ko dito sa Sweden. So ngayong araw na to guys, ang ganda ng weather. Oh, nakakatuwa yung weather. Mainit sa labas. Mainit sa labas. Tapos dyan sa, ito yung likuran namin. Ang kapitbahay namin. Tapos pag ganito yung weather guys, maraming ibong dyan sa garden dyan. So, natutuwa ako pag ganito yung weather. Tapos mamaya, pag ganito kasi yung weather, lumalabas talaga kami ni asawa, nagwo-walking kami. Tapos yun, nagwo-walking kami ng mga 1 hour. And then yung last spot talaga namin, yung pinakalas namin dun sa church. Kasi lagi akong dumadaan sa church, dun ako nagpe-pray palagi. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon guys ay maglilinis muna ako ng bahay kasi ilang araw na akong hindi nakakalinis kasi ang daming iniisip sa buhay. Dami talaga iniisip sa buhay guys. Ganito pala pag yung ang layo-layo mo sa pamilya mo, no, tapos may mga problema, parang ang hirap-hirap guys pag malayo ka sa pamilya mo, may problema sa Pilipinas tapos pag nandito ka. So parang ang hirap kasi wala kang magawa, tapos kahit gusto mong tumulong, parang ang hirap talaga. So, salamat sa Diyos at okay nang lahat. At makakapag-concentrate na ako kasi ilang araw na ako, parang magwa 1 week na akong walang guys, yung wala sa konsentrasyon kasi nga iniisip ko yung tatay ko, pero salamat sa Diyos at okay naman yung tatay ko. So, ngayon maglilinis ako. Ang alikabok na dito sa dito sa aking table. Pakita ko sa inyo. And guys, sa tagal ko nang hindi naglinis dahil sa dami nang iniisip, ang daming alikabok na nakikita nyo yan, sobrang alikabok na talaga, grabe. Ayan yung favorite spot ko, sobrang alikabok na talaga kasi hindi na ako nakakalinis. Ayan, so maglilinis lang muna ako and then ako ng breakfast mamaya kasi hindi pa ako nakakakain. Pasensya na guys, maingay kasi nagluluto kasi ako. Maingay yung fan. Nagluluto ako ng adobo kasi nag-text si Mr. Sabi niya, na-miss daw niyang na-miss daw niyang kumain ng adobo. Kaya sabi ko, sige, magluluto na lang ako ng adobo na dinner natin. Kaya meron pa naman kaming chicken sa freezer na naiwan nung nag-adobo na naman ako last time. So, yun ang lulutuin ko. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng patatas konti para may gulay naman siya. So, pakukuluan ko lang po ito guys, yung manok na may sibuyas. And then, ilalagay ko to. Meron pa akong naiwan ito. Binili ko to sa Dubai bago ako pupunta dito. Itong adobo mix. So, nagustuhan naman niya. Kaya sabi niya, gusto daw niya ng adobo. Kaya sabi ko, yes, magluluto ako. So, naano ko na yung chicken. Palalambutin ko lang siya. And then, yung patatas, inisa ko na yung patatas para lumambot. Para mas madaling maluto. Para tama-tama pag dumating si husband, mag-walking kami and then magdi-dinner. Kasi everyday kasi kami nag-walking guys. After ng work niya, pag yung work niya, matapos siya ng mga 4 ng hapon. So, lalabas kami pagkarating niya. Mag-walking kami ng mga 30 minutes, depende, 30 to 1 hour. Tapos, yun, uwi na kami. And then, mag-continue siya mag-workout dito. And then, dinner. And then, mag-aaral. And then, bedtime. Yun ang rotation namin. Lagi-lagi. So, ayan na guys, yung aking niluluto. Tapos na yung fried rice ko. Ganyan lang siya. Simple lang. Iglagyan ko lang siya ng guys, yung onion, then eggs, and mixed vegetables. Yung hinalo ko. And then, ito yung chicken. Adobo na niluto ko. Ayan siya. Hindi siya masyadong ano guys, ma-soy sauce kasi ayaw ko ng masyadong maalat. So yung nilagay ko lang talaga yung adobo mix na yung powder. Yun lang talagang nilagay ko. And then ito yung potato. Pre-night ko muna guys para mas madaling ano, tsaka mas masarap siya pag pinahalo sa adobo. So low fire lang natin hanggang dumating si husband. And then yun nga, mag-walking na kami and then dinner. Sa laundry?
Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Yeah.
Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Oh, look how beautiful is this. This is roses?
There's Nippon.
Newport? This is a lot. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo to guys. Oh, dami oh. Sabi na asawa nakakain daw to. Ang daming bunga oh. It's too many. It's so many. So, andito na naman kami sa labas. We're here outside again, guys. And we're gonna go walking. Husband came home early with it. So good. So happy he came home early. And then he told me to go walking.
Yeah, no, I'm on foot.
And then we're going to church also. It's good weather today, Papa.
It's 30
Say hi.
degrees. It says 30 degrees in the car.
Huh?
30 degrees in the car.
30?
It says. That's a lot.
It's a lot?
Yeah, a lot for it being now.
A lot for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Ganda ng weather, guys. Super blue. It's super clear, the sky today. I was so happy because today, you know what today? Today is Tatang Day operation. And today is Mama Mary's birthday. Mama Mary's birthday. So we're in the highway. Highway, guys. Oh, thank you, Lord. That's another kind of relief.
Yes.
You know?
I'm happy for you.
Yes.
Happy for both.
For both of us. For the family. Yeah. For the family ba? It's been like so many days, so it's like sleepless. We go back or something. Tara. Maraming tao ngayon sa kalsada, guys, kasi mainit. Pag maganda yung weather, maraming naglalakad. Walking. So bago pala kami lumabas, nag-book kami ng laundry kasi maglalaba ako dun sa ano, sa libreng labahan. Mas mabilis kasi doon. Marami silang machine and maraming dryer. Just sitting. Yeah? Sitting for relaxing. You can sit sometimes there, no? The bench. The bench. Super beautiful today, Paul. It's another day. It's a good blessed day today, no? Yeah. So we drank coffee. We're back home, guys. And we're eating the food. Pinapainit ko na yung food and we're gonna have dinner. Kain kami guys. So, mag-coffee daw din na si husband. Pinapainit ko na doon yung fried rice. Kain na ko. Kasi bubulong. My fried rice guys, and the adobo. Yeah. You didn't put water?
Where? I had water.
Huh?
I have water.
That's enough? eat.
Yes, we need to eat little.
Huh?
Yes, we need to eat.
Yeah.
You want help with something, honey?
Mm-hmm. Papa? Put your box up. Or you want adobo? Fried rice adobo?
Oh, fried.
Or
Oh, it
adobo
doesn't matter.
salad? Adobo fried rice.
Adobo fried rice.
Put how much rice you want?
Little bit, almost half. Almost half. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. For me, honey. It's enough. Not maybe that's too much. Yeah, we can have more rice. Oh, it's the same.
Make it hot. Kain tayo, guys. Are you putol ready? I have mine. Dito kami kakain sa sitting room, guys, kasi nanonood kami ng vlog. It's so yummy. That's good. You have coffee too? Huh?
It's yummy.
Tomato smell. Tomato.
Huh?
Potato. Say good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
We have the dinner, guys. We're done dinner, and then husband is studying a little bit, and then bedtime. But I'm gonna watch some movie first. Tomorrow? You have test?
Yes.
Because tomorrow he has the schooling tomorrow, so he's revising, and then he's gonna have the test tomorrow. So yes, that's for the vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.